Hello there! Hafsa here with another chicken fry recipe. This time it's a spicy chicken fry. An easy shallow fried chicken recipe to tantalize your taste buds. Made of very simple ingredients, marinated with freshly ground spice mix, shallow fried and ready in no time. Easy and fast. Let's get started. For the recipe, we need chicken pieces 1 kilogram, 2 green chilies, 2 red chilies dried, 6 to 8 garlic pods, a piece of ginger an inch size, 1½ red onions, black peppercorns 3/4 of a tablespoon, cumin seeds half a teaspoon. Now for the marinade, we will grind the onions, the green chilies, followed by red chilies. You may use Kashmiri chili here if you intend not to use food coloring in your recipe. Ginger and the garlic. And lastly, the cumin and the pepper. Make a fine paste of this. A little salt to season the whole marinade. Folks, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, consider subscribing us. We are Licks and Bites, YouTube channel trying to bring recipes from across the world. And if you have already subscribed to our channel, ensure that you have pressed the bell button icon next to the subscribe button to get our notifications when we post new videos. To marinate our chicken, we shall add 1½ tablespoons of white vinegar, followed by the marinade paste we made. Folks, do give it a try on our recipe and support us with your likes. Comment us if you have any queries or what recipes you would love to watch on our channel. Mix well till you coat all the sides of the chicken. A pinch of red food coloring will go in now, which is completely optional. Once you have finished mixing these ingredients, keep it aside for an hour. Our marinade is ready and it's time to fry them in cooking oil. Follow us on other social media. We are on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. When the oil is hot, add in the pieces and shallow fry them. Add a few pieces only per batch. We are Licks and Bites, our speciality, Indian cuisine. We intend to cross borders to explore tastes and cultures. Please share the recipe with friends and family. Cover the fry pan with a lid. Open the lid and toss over the other side. Cook the marinated chicken in batches and it will be ready. Drop the chicken pieces in the oil. Cover and cook on one side. Remove the lid. Toss to other side. Cover and cook. Repeat the process till the chicken is fully done. Covering lid might produce water vapor and be careful when you remove the lid. Hot oil explodes when it comes in contact with water. Try to avoid dropping the water in the oil when you open the lid. There you go. We are here with yet another chicken fry. Simple ingredients, easy marinade, no hassles. It's a cook on the move recipe. To serve, we shall stack them alongside some onion rings and a few lime wedges. Until next time, I catch up with you. This is Hafsa, bringing you recipes worthy of licks and bites. Life is short. Don't be mean. Press the like button. Enjoy your life.